Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a Nigerian burrito. This exciting dish brings together the vibrant tastes of West Africa with the beloved convenience of a burrito. We'll explore how to combine flavorful jollof rice, perfectly seasoned protein, and crisp vegetables, all wrapped up in a soft tortilla. Get ready to create a truly unique and delicious meal that's perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful culinary adventure. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 6 large flour tortillas, roughly 8 to 10 inches across, for wrapping. Prepare 2 cups of flavorful jollof rice, which forms the heart of our burrito. Choose 1 pound of your favorite protein, perhaps seasoned chicken or beef, or a plant-based alternative. Don't forget fresh vegetables like diced bell peppers, onions, and a handful of spinach for a delightful crunch and added goodness. Now let's create the star of our burrito, the flavorful filling. Begin by cooking your chosen protein, whether it's chicken or beef, until it's beautifully browned and tender. Season it generously with authentic Nigerian spices, such as a teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of thyme, for that signature taste. Next, gently fold in your 2 cups of cooked jollof rice and the fresh vegetables. Stir everything together, ensuring it's well combined and heated through, ready for assembly. Finally, it's time to assemble your magnificent Nigerian burrito. First, warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds each, making them soft and easy to fold. Lay 1 warm tortilla flat and spoon approximately 1 cup of your flavorful filling onto its center. Carefully fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it tightly from the bottom upwards, creating a perfectly secure and delicious wrap. Serve your freshly made Nigerian burrito immediately, perhaps alongside a vibrant pepper sauce for an extra kick. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.